Welcome back, my name is Thomas and this is Car TikToks Part 2. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. Let's get right into the video. Are those gum wrappers? What the heck? Why would you do that? The time invested. Oh buddy. Oh buddy. Holy. Is that a Ford? How did it get there? Oh, it is. What? I bet you that car is no more than 10 years old. Maybe 15. How did you get there with no windscreen? Holy. Wow. What a find. Oh boy. Just in case owning a Lamborghini wasn't a big enough flex, now you're gonna diamond coat it. Okay. What? Oh, sign me up. That's so cool. That's actually some James Bond shit right there. Okay. Okay, alright. Okay. Those must have been some really crazy drugs.
The kit you can build this car with, no glue, no screws, and all the parts sort of fit. And here's what it looks like. This has working suspension.
Holy.
The steering wheel works.
Oh my goodness.
The wipers. The doors open, and they actually have little windows.
Goodness.
If you open the trunk, you can actually wind it up. Oh, is it in reverse?
Oh my goodness.
Here's what the motor looks like. You press this, the hood opens up. Look at that, baby.
That must have taken forever. Well done, my friend. Holy, that's amazing. See, positive things come out of car meets. They're not all just like burnouts and loud exhausts. Oh no. Oh no. But why? I don't... Oh no! Never seen that on a truck before. Yeah.
Alright guys, take a look at my friend's cars.
What's his car?
And now, take a look at my car.
Where? Oh, it's his feet. Oh, there's another one. Is that a Volkswagen? Like a really old Volkswagen. Holy. How do those cars get there?
I always hear these people saying that it's impossible to drain your oil
Where is this
without
going?
getting any on your hands. Well, I'm here to prove you wrong.
You
Well, fuck, that ain't good.
That's a cool photo spot.
Hey kids!
Oh, that's sick. That's sick. Yeah. Holy. Lucky dude. Holy. Yeah, so they made a full YouTube video on this vehicle and it's unbelievable, so go check it out. This is like actual Lego pieces and they built this Bugatti.
These are my absolute favorite Amazon car must-haves. This little diffuser that looks like a coffee cup and fits perfectly in my cup holder.
Okay.
I just add 5 drops of liquid Sunshine by Sage and it keeps my car smelling fresh and cheerful. So in here I just keep 2 different file folders, one for work, one for kids. I put coupons and things for restaurants in one, and in the other one I put all of my work receipts. I also have these lap desks for each one of the kids to make it easy for them to eat and to draw on if we're going on road trips. I have this little change cup in here, but I actually use it for straw wrappers. I keep things like sandals in case I go to get my nails done, a brush, extra diapers and wipes, a MyFold car seat, which is actually really cool. This is a super compact and safe car seat in case we have friends join us in the car. I have lots of organization items in the back for the kids as well as things to keep them entertained, so let me know if you'd like a part 2.
Mum level 9000. I do that way more times than I like to admit.
Here we go again. He's a crazy man. Oh, ooh, Subaru jump. This crazy man. I don't even know how the police is gonna catch him. There's no chance. Oh, he see the red car. What you gonna do? Subaru drift. That's what he gonna do. This a crazy man. I never seen a Subaru like this before. Oh, did you see that? That was a Subaru brake power. That's a f***ing crazy. Holy shit, man. What you gonna do? Subaru. That's what he gonna do. Oh, did you see how he did the execution? It was perfect. Police don't even know where he go. He go to the left. Police go straight with the other 2 red car. These are crazy. I'm gonna buy a Subaru tomorrow.
This is an amazing movie. If you have not seen Baby Driver, go and see it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that. He obviously has a really tough life. Okay, well I can definitely say that that is not a law in Canada, but this is very, very well done, and that takes a lot of talent to do that. And I guess backwards? Okay, I'm waiting till the end. There better be a good payoff. That's pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching and supporting this channel. If you like what I do here, feel free to subscribe, especially since once we hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a quarantine workout video if this whole pandemic is still going on. And once we get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to be shaving all of this hair off of the top of my head that I've now been growing out for 3 years now, and I'll be donating it. Of course, if you want to see part number 1 to car TikToks, I'll link that at the end of the video and down in the description below. And if you'd like me to do a part 3, just drop a like so I know that you like this sort of content. My name is Thomas, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.